How to fix the DoorDash white screen issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having this white screen issue on DoorDash, make sure to follow the steps. First of all, force close the application. For this, head over to your DoorDash app info and tap on force stop. After that, close all the background applications and then head over to Play Store or App Store. Search for the DoorDash application and update the app to the latest version. This way, you will avoid any glitches or the bugs in the application. Once that is done, reboot your device, which will help to refresh the application. Once rebooted, head over to your DoorDash and go to App Info. Check if all permissions are given and tap on Storage and Cache to clear the cache. Then after, check for the system updates and then uninstall and reinstall the app. This way the issue should probably be fixed. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.